Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about simple past tense. Before going ahead, I want to give a suggestion to you all that first learn about verbs, because unless you have a complete knowledge of verbs, its different types, different forms, you can never understand tenses, because tenses are all about verbs. You have to play with verbs. So I have made exclusive videos about verbs. First watch them and then only go ahead with the series of tenses. Let's start with past tense. Now when I say past, what does it mean? It means anything before now. Now is present, anything before now is past, and anything after now is future. So today we'll talk about past. Now we very well know that each tense, present, past, future, they have further their 4 subcategories. This we have done already. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss the first category of past tense, which is simple past tense. Simple past tense emphasizes on an action which started in the past and ended in the past only. It describes the action which has already happened in the past. How? Let's take a look. At the top we have the rule, because we know that every tense has a rule. So for simple past tense we have this rule: subject plus second form of the verb. Okay. Now we have some examples here. Let's go through them one by one. First is Max called me last week. So Max is the subject here. Okay. And call is the verb. Second form of call is called. So we have used second form of the verb. Okay. Max called me last week. I cooked dinner. Again subject plus cook is the verb and second form of cook is cooked. So subject plus second form of the verb. So that's why I always tell you that if you learn the rules properly, then you will never have a problem with tenses. Okay. They invited us and we watched a movie. Now in this sentence we have two phrases, two sentences. It's a combination of two sentences which is joined by a conjunction. And is a conjunction we will talk about later. Okay. Now she talked to her mom. We visited her yesterday. So these are some positive sentences in simple past tense. How to make negative sentences in simple past tense. So here the rule is subject plus did not or didn't. Didn't is the contracted form of did not plus first form of the verb. Okay. Now we simply know that we can change a positive sentence into a negative sentence by adding not. But that is not the case with simple past tense. Here the case is different. I tell you what happens here. We need an auxiliary verb. Okay, an auxiliary verb is do, which we use here. All right. Now the rule is subject plus second form of the verb. Okay. Now the second form of do is did. That's why did is here. Now if we have to make a negative sentence, we need to use not. All right. Now subject plus did not. That's why we are using did not here. Now we have used auxiliary verb and the subject. But what if we have to give a meaning to the sentence? In that case, we need to use a main verb also. That's why we use first form of the verb here. Now why not second form? Because we have applied the rule once. Okay, subject plus second form of the verb, and we cannot apply the same rule over and over again. That's why the main verb over here will appear in its base form, will come here as it is. Okay, you are not going to change the form of main verb, second or third form. All right, so subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. Let's go through some examples. I did not stay late. I did not or didn't, anything you can use. I didn't stay late. We didn't sleep well last night because I was doing my work, or I was not well. That's why I didn't sleep well last night. He didn't come to my party. However, I invited him, but he didn't come to my party. James did not attend the ceremony. She did not have time. I called her, but she did not have time. Okay, so these all are negative sentences in simple past tense. So whenever we have to frame a negative sentence in simple past tense, now you all know how to do that. Subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. Okay, now this is the place where maximum people make mistake. They use second form of the verb. For example, he didn't reach there on time. I didn't invited him. Okay, so make sure that you do not make this mistake and you always use first form of the verb while making negative sentences in simple past tense. Interrogative sentences in simple past tense. Now here, while framing an interrogative sentence in simple past tense, we need an auxiliary verb. Okay, so second form of the helping verb is did, but this time it is not coming at the second position, rather it will come at the first position. We will start a question with did. So the rule is did plus subject plus base form of the verb. Okay, just remember, we always start a question in simple past with did. Here on left side we have some positive questions and on right side we have some negative questions. Let's go through them one by one. First is, did he buy a new bike? So did plus subject plus first form of the verb. Did he buy a new bike? How are we going to change it into negative? Did he not buy a new bike? Did she help you? Didn't she help you? Did they laugh at the joke? Did they not laugh at the joke, or didn't they laugh at the joke? We very well know that if we are using contracted form, we'll use it as it is, like didn't she help you? But if we are using an expanded form like did not separately, then not will always come after subject, like here. Did he not buy a new bike? Okay, don't forget this rule. Next, did he go to school? Didn't he go to school, or did he not go to school? You can frame these questions with question words also. I have made a separate video on question words, but just to give you a little idea about it, I have made two sentences. Why did you do that? Okay, first the question word and then the question will come as it is. Why did you do that? Why didn't you do that? Or why did you not do that? Where did you play? Where did you not play? Where didn't you play? Okay, so if you want to use question words also, you know how to use them, and this is the way how you frame a question, a positive question and a negative question in simple past tense. Now we have understood all about simple past tense. Let's practice some sentences. Here I have written some sentences in simple present tense. We have to change them into simple past. Then some sentences in simple past, positive sentences, we have to change them into negative. And then again some simple past positive sentences, we have to change them into question form. Let's do that. First is, I play the piano. How we have to change it into simple past? I played the piano. I played the piano. Subject plus second form of the verb. Next is, Max cleans his car. Max cleaned his car. Max cleaned his car. They go to the market. They, second form of go is went. They went to the market. They went to the market. Next is, these are some positive sentences in simple past tense. Let's change them into negative. First is, James reached home. James didn't reach home. Max sent me a gift. Max didn't sent me a gift. They invited me to the party. They did not invite me to the party. Okay, so here you can see that I have used first form of the verb only. James didn't reach home, not didn't reached home. Max didn't send me a gift. They did not invite me to the party. Didn't or did not, you can use anything. Now next is we have to make question form of sentences, interrogative sentences. So first is we watched a movie. Did we watch a movie? Did we watch a movie? Or if we have to make a negative question, then did we not watch a movie or didn't we watch a movie? Now next is he sang a song. Did he sing a song? Okay, if you write did he sang a song, that is a wrong question. Okay, did he sing a song? That is the correct way, first form of the main verb. He drove the car. Did he drive the car? Did he drive the car or didn't he drive the car or did he not drive the car? Okay, so these are the ways we can frame positive, negative or interrogative sentences in simple past tense. That's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.